Hi, friends. This is Jeff with Pie of Genius. And today, I really hope that this conversation is a catalyst that'll really help your team have a really insightful conversation that will lead to some powerful actions and some powerful results. So, what we're going to talk about today is your future business, the future of your business. And before we get started on that, I just want to say it ties in, just follow with me here. I really love the sport of volleyball. Volleyball is one of those sports that where both people are facing each other the whole entire game. There's a lot of energy, there's a lot of tension. You have the potential for a lot of volleys to go back and forth. And it's just an exciting game. And what I want to talk about today is a principle from volleyball and how you can apply it to your business. And so in volleyball, they have the bump, the set, and the spike. The bump, the set, and the spike. And so when the opposing team hits the ball over, what your team's trying to do is just bump the ball, which is basically just absorb the energy from their attack and just sort of get it like set up on your side of the court, right? That's the bump, is just to prevent them from scoring. Then the set is the person takes the bump and then they get in place to really set the ball up to get it in just the right spot. So the next person who does the spike can actually hit it over and score a point. So there's the bump, absorb, the set, you get it right in place, and then the spike. And, if that goes well, your team can score. So the question I have for you today is, are you setting up your future business for success or for frustration? Success or frustration? Because what you're doing now in your business is the bump and the set for the future business you're going to have. And, you have to ask yourself the question, my future self, your future business, like imagine you 3 weeks in the future, 6 months in the future, a year into the future, that version of yourself, are they going to look back in history at the current you and say, wow, you really set us up for success? That was a great bump. That was a great set. And now we're just in the right place to spike the ball. Or are they going to look back and go with frustration at the current version of you, going, you didn't really set us up? It's like in volleyball with the bump and the set goes like totally the completely wrong place. And all your team really can do, they don't actually get a chance to spike the ball. All they can do is just barely get it back over the net. Are you setting yourself up, the future version of you up, the future of your business? Are you setting it up for success or for frustration? And here's the deal. To be in a place currently where you can set your business up for success, it takes focus, it takes patience, it takes strategy, it takes precision, it takes teamwork, and it also takes resilience. It takes resilience because there are going to be times when stuff, they score on you, right? You drop the ball, something's going to happen in your business, and you need to be able to get back up so you can get in that place again to really set your future self up for success. So here is the invitation I have for you and your team to just make a list of what are some of the things you're doing that are setting yourself up for success, and what are some things that you're doing in your business, actions you're taking, procedures you have in place, systems, whatever, that are actually going to lead to frustration to your future self. Imagine you sit with your team and put yourself a year in the future and evaluate what you're currently doing. What are the things that are setting them up for success? Which ones are for failure? Because I bet what you really hope is that you look back and you say, yes, we bumped, we set, and now we can spike the ball because of the work we did back in the past. So hope that gives your team some insights as you chew on it. This is Jeff with Pie of Genius. Until next time, have a great week. Bye-bye, guys.